Is Solana getting too hot? Or will Solana redo what Binance Smart Chain did and really cause some burn marks on Ethereum? BNB ran 40x in price on that, so that's an important question, if you like money. In this video I will try to answer if I think Solana has gotten too hot already, or if there is still room to grow. Fire truck is coming, that's how hot it is. That's hot. We will cover TX metrics, financial metrics, price analysis with Larsson Line, market drivers, conclusions, and then, as a bonus, what could be a possibly even better alternative than investing in Solana. So make sure to stay to the end. If you watched my video Top 5 Crypto Coins to Invest, you're welcome. Let's see what I said about Solana in July. One project that has sailed up on my radar is Solana, which is backed by FTX, an impressive company. Solana is doing some things differently, with a different consensus, which also aims to be faster and cheaper. Solana isn't new actually. Without getting too technical, they use the timestamps differently. They have a unique solution, they have good momentum, they have powerful backers, their total MC is less than 9 billion today compared to Binance 49 billion and Ethereum market cap of 245 billion. Meaning if they somehow succeed, there is a lot of room to grow relative competition. If you missed that video, it could be because you didn't have the bell switched on. Just subscribing isn't enough anymore on YouTube. So make sure you do that if you like my content. It's still worth watching and the intro is funny, I'll link it at the end of this video. Also please like this video for the YouTube algo. Thank you. Transaction metrics first. Remember that BSC, Binance Smart Chain, flipped Ethereum in transaction volume, which created this run in BNB price. It wasn't speculation alone. There was real network activity driving price. Then where is Solana on that metric? If we look at this dashboard, we can see the current TPS down to the second. If this is say 1000 TPS, that's 86,000 transactions per day. If it's 2000 TPS, that's 172,000 transactions per day. We can also look here, Airweave is the data storage solution that Solana uses. So that matches, little over 100,000 transactions per day. And Ethereum does 1.2 million transactions per day. Binance Smart Chain 7 million. So Solana is nowhere near that yet. That to me means that there is still a lot of room to grow for Solana. That's great. Now let's move on to the financial metrics. What are the trading volumes and total value locked on the DEX, which is maybe the clearest indicator? The main Solana DEX is called Serum, SRM. But if you look here, it's very small. 30 million daily volumes, position 24 or something. But that's because it's the wrong DEX. The by far bigger project by volume is Raydium RAY. Part of their trades still execute through the Serum order book. And Raydium has a similar volume as SushiSwap and is only a factor 3 away from, for example, PancakeSwap. So that's a lot already. Total value locked is less, however. Here you can see it's about 800 million or 900 million compared to PancakeSwap and Uniswap over $5 billion. I will come back to this later in the video with more details, so just relax and keep watching. In summary, yes, there is clear momentum. Now let's look at the price analysis. Solana has been one of the clearest charts in this whole ecosystem. Larsson Line flipped gold here around $3, then it ran straight up to $58. Then we had some hesitation here. You could draw this as a symmetrical triangle, which is a continuation pattern. I actually drew this as a rectangle, which then broke out for continuation. But then Larsson Line had already flipped gold even before that at around 38. On the BTC chart, Larsson Line never flipped blue, just went neutral in the consolidation and then continued. Price is now in price discovery on both charts, though the targets from these patterns are now close to being completed. It often pays to wait for a retracement. In an uptrend we want crashes. So it's a very strong chart all the way from January this year, and that hasn't changed. Market drivers then. Why did it pump now and so much? Well, apart from the risk appetite being back in the market, there were two things that happened. One was Wormhole. It's a bridge where you can send ERC20 tokens from Ethereum over to a Solana equivalent, and then use them there or send it back if you want. Or not. So how it works is that you lock the ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum side, then this validator system sees that and mints new tokens on the Solana side. Then if you burn them on the Solana side, your ERC20 tokens are unlocked again on the Ethereum side. Sweet. So that's a confidence boost for the ecosystem. Then there were the apes also. This project got a lot of hype. People bought these NFT apes. Basically, you could mint these apes and you had to pay with SOL, which created a buying spree on the Solana token. So people are trading these. You can see the latest sales here. This is about $700. I didn't buy any apes. The market drivers really were a combination of 4 things. Number 1, bullish market, risk-on approach. Number 2, some people betting that Ethereum 2 with proof of stake and Layer 2 actually used in key services like Uniswap and OpenSea etc. will be further delayed. Number 3, confidence boost in the ecosystem as a whole with a wormhole bridge. And number 4, some NFT hype, causing a buying spree in the underlying token, much like the ICOs did in 2017 on ETH and the BSC projects did in 2020-2021 on BNB. Conclusion on Solana now, before we look into one alternative. It is a faster, cheaper technology. For years I've said that don't underestimate the cost advantage. Everyone laughed, but then it turned out I was right. Look what happened with the BSC BNB. And now I'm saying it again. Faster and cheaper is better. Most people don't care exactly how decentralized it is, as long as it's permissionless, meaning that you don't need to ask anyone to start using it. Solana is massively faster and cheaper than Ethereum today. No doubt. And it works now. Ideologically, make no mistake here, Solana is a VC-backed project. Raised $314 million in a private token sale led by Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital. Other participants in the round included Alameda Research, that's Sam, CMS Holding, CoinShares, Jump Trading, Multi-Coin Capital, Sino Global Capital and many others. If we put the ideological arguments aside, that poses a risk when the SEC and other US regulators are going to war with crypto in the US. An anonymous developer living on a remote island suddenly no longer seems like such a bad alternative. On the pro side, it means they have money for marketing, subsidizing projects and build stuff and so on. And it's still in the honeymoon period. Pretty much everyone likes Sam of FTX now. Like CZ before. Then, as they become more powerful, probably more people will feel differently. It's usually like that. I do think this is just the beginning. The entry was when I posted my previous video. Now we're kind of late, but if there are dips here, I think Solana can pose a good risk reward. And who knows, maybe they succeed big time. That is the game in crypto. A small chance for a big reward. But could there be something else? Even better. On BNB we had the cake token. What's the cake on Solana? Well, there was this Serum SRM token, right? Market cap of 400 million. Pretty affordable, right? What? Fully diluted market cap 79 billion. No thanks. How about Raydium then? Ray. It's a bit of the same ugliness. Market cap in range of 400 million, fully diluted market cap 4 billion. But not as bad. Then there is this also. 52% of the tokens are allocated to partnership and ecosystem, team and advisors, while only 10% of the tokens are trading. So there will be a lot of tokens unlocked for a lot of people that have gotten them for free, meaning they can sell them at any price and still make profit. That's not so good. But crypto moves fast. Maybe faster than these unlocks will happen. Anyway, I put the numbers in a comparison table here. Let's look at it. We have market cap, fully diluted market cap, total value locked, market cap divided by total value locked, fully diluted market cap divided by total value locked, 24-hour trading volume, and market cap divided by 24-hour trading volume, and fully diluted market cap divided by trading volume. Then we have Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Raydium. And as you can see, market cap per TVL is the lowest on Raydium, though not by as much as I thought. And if you look at the fully diluted market cap, it's actually even higher than Uniswap and PancakeSwap. And it's the same if you look at market cap divided by trading volume. It's attractive only if you look at the current market cap, not at the fully diluted market cap. So for this to be attractive, it needs to move fast before it gets diluted by all those allocations. And it well might. I definitely think Raydium is one to watch. I will come back to it in a future video, so make sure that you are subscribed for that. Please like this video to help YouTube do its job. Thank you, tack! CTO Larsson out, hejdå!